Yes! Yes! The greatest fort ever! Let's go! The G-Greatest fort needs to be the biggest fort.
That is good thinking, buddy. I like the energy.
I want a bedroom part. A soft, quiet part for me. A bedroom part? Lily, it is a fort, not a hotel.
All right, everyone, smile. Big smiles.
Beautiful! Can we go play now?
Just one more, sweetie. Good morning, Saturday. I love you very much.
Oh, it is raining again today.
Yes, it is raining very hard outside.
The children wanted to go to the park today.
I know. But the rain is very heavy.
What do we do with two bored children?
I have a very good idea, Sarah.
Oh no, your ideas are always very interesting.
That is a nice way to say it.
I'm coming! Dad, can we go to the park today?
Good morning, Liam. Look outside first.
I wanted to go outside. But it's raining. Yes, Mom, but now I am so bored already.
You just woke up, Liam.
Oh no, it is raining so much.
Good morning, sweetheart. Did you sleep well?
I know. That is the problem, Dad. Good morning, Mommy. Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, my sweet Lily. Come sit with me.
Is it raining outside? I can hear the rain. Yes, and now we cannot go to the park. The rain is so loud. Is it angry?
No, Lily. Rain is never angry. It is just rain.
Oh, okay. Rain is just rain. So what do we do today, Dad?
Well, I am thinking of something very exciting.
What? What is it? Tell me now. Please do not make a big mess in my house.
I will try my best. I promise.
Dad, tell me, what is the exciting thing?
I dare all of us to build something today.
Build what?
A robot? A car? A rocket? A castle? I want a princess castle, Daddy.
Something better than all of those things.
James, what exactly are you thinking?
We are going to build the G-Greatest indoor fort ever. You're really here?
We missed you so much. Daddy! Yes! Yes! The greatest fort ever! Let's go! What is a fort, Daddy?
A fort is a special cozy house inside our house.
A house inside a house? Like magic?
Yes, Lily, exactly like magic.
All right, team, this is our territory.
Look at him, he's like a general.
Let's do this, Dad. Okay, team. First, we need a plan.
I already have the plan, Dad. Listen to me.
Okay, Liam. Tell us your plan.
We push the big sofa against the wall first.
Then we put all the chairs in a circle. Then we use all the blankets from every room.
And we make the fort go from here to the kitchen.
That is a very large fort, Liam.
The G-Greatest fort needs to be the biggest fort.
That is good thinking, buddy. I like the energy.
But wait, I have an idea too. My idea is already the best, Lily. Trust me. I want the fort to have a pink door, please. A fort does not need a pink door, Lily. My fort has a pink door, Liam. It is NOT your fort. It is OR fort.
Okay, both ideas are good. Let's listen.
I also have some ideas, if that is okay.
What is your idea, Dad?
I think the fort needs a secret entrance. A tunnel.
A tunnel? That is amazing! Yes, a tunnel! Can the tunnel have a pink curtain? Lily. Just a little one? No, Lily, absolutely not.
Liam, let your sister speak. Fine.
Lily, what do you want exactly?
I want the fort to be soft and beautiful inside. I want pink and purple blankets. And fairy lights. Fairy lights are actually a good idea, Lily. Really? You think so? Yes. Fairy lights will make the inside look really cool.
I know where the fairy lights are. I will get them.
Great! Liam, you start moving the small chairs.
On it, Dad. I am like a construction worker.
Liam, do not drag the chairs. Lift them, please.
Sorry, Mom. You stay here, Bear. Push, push! Oh, so heavy. Daddy, the sofa is too heavy for me.
I will help you, sweetheart. We push together. Ready?
Ready, Daddy. We did it! We are so strong, Daddy.
Yes! I am very tired now. That sofa is very heavy.
I found the lights. And look, Gura, these old blankets are perfect.
Give me the blankets. I will put them over the chairs. Wait. We need to make a plan first, Liam. The plan is in my head, Mom. Trust me.
All right, watch this.
Liam, no!
I cannot see. Help! Liam! Liam!
Okay.
Sorry, Lily. I did not mean to do that.
Oh. My hair is very big right now.
You look like a very small lion, Lily. Yeah, Liam.
Whoosh! Watch out! Oh no! Crash! Gasp! Gasp! Oops!
What was that?
The lamp. Oh no!
Is it broken?
James, this needs a plan. A real plan. Right now.
You are absolutely right, Sarah. Okay, team, stop.
I did not mean to do that. It was an accident.
I know it was an accident, Liam. But we need order.
Are you okay, Lamp?
Okay. New rule. Everyone speaks, everyone listens. We agree first.
That sounds slow, Dad.
Sometimes slow is the right speed, buddy.
I think if we do this, it will hold.
Yes, that's it. And a window? Can we add a window?
Good idea. Let's draw a window right here. Okay. This is our fort. Let's design it together.
It needs to be big, like a castle, Dad.
But we only have this living room, Liam.
That is enough space for a big fort, Mum. I want a bedroom part. A soft, quiet part for me. A bedroom part? Lily, it is a fort, not a hotel.
I want a bedroom part, Liam.
Actually, I think that is a very smart idea, Lily.
What? Why?
We can have one big room and one quiet room.
That way everyone has their own space inside. So,
One big action room and one quiet room? Yes, my room will have the pink blanket and fairy lights. And my room will have the biggest blanket pile.
Perfect. Now, who does what job?
I can string the fairy lights carefully along the top.
I will decorate. I am the decorator. Can decorators also carry blankets?
Yes. Decorators can do many things.
You sit here. You are the first piece of our fort. I found 7 blankets. 7!
Do not run down the stairs, Liam.
I am walking fast, Mom. This is fast walking.
Liam, put them down slowly. Do not drop them all at once. That's it. Nicely done. Good job.
7 blankets, Dad. That is a lot of blankets.
That is very good work, buddy.
All right, over the rope.
Stretch it out. Whoa, it's too long.
Yeah, it's hitting the floor.
It is too long, Dad. It does not look right.
Let's think. Maybe we fold it in half. If we fold it, it will be too thick, too heavy.
You can use one of the smaller chairs to hold up the middle.
Yes. Sarah, that is perfect. Great idea.
I have great ideas sometimes.
Sometimes, you always have great ideas.
I know. I just like to hear you say it.
All right, perfect.
Oh, look at that. It's a real castle.
It's amazing.
It looks like a real house inside our house. Okay, that does look pretty amazing.
I am okay. The fort is on my head.
Daddy. Liam is the lamp now.
Yes. Yes, he is. You all right, buddy?
Yeah, I just need a moment.
We're here for you. No. But my feelings are a little hurt.
Your feelings?
The fort fell on me. My own fort. That feels personal.
Oh my goodness! Okay. The chair in the middle is not strong enough. New plan.
What if we use the bookshelf, the small one by the wall?
Yes, that cannot fall. Great thinking again, Sarah.
That is 2 great ideas from me today, James.
Almost there.
Now drape the blanket.
Wow, look how solid it is.
It's perfect.
Great job, team.
I am going in slowly. Very slowly. It holds. Dad, the fort holds. Me next. Me next.
Welcome in.
Got it.
Wow. Pretty.
Daddy. It is the most beautiful thing I ever saw.
Yes, Lily. I think you are right.
Not bad for a rainy Saturday, James. It's perfect.
Look at their faces.
Wow, it's so cozy in here.
All right, coming in with the snacks. Hold still, don't let the fort fall.
Yay, snacks! You are bending wrong, Dad. Go more sideways.
Ow.
Daddy, are you okay? Yes.
The fort and my head are now friends. It is fine.
This is perfect.
I know.
Can I have the red one? Of course, sweetie.
This is actually the best day ever. Better than the park? Yes. Better than the park. I knew it.
The fairy lights were a really good idea.
Your idea. Really? You think so?
Yes. Without the lights, the fort is just dark inside. Thank you, Liam. That is very nice of you.
Are we really going to leave the fort up tonight?
Yes. Yes, we are.
You are a very soft dad. You know that?
And you love that about me.
Yes, I really do.
Hello, friends. Thank you for watching today.
Today, we learned something important together. When we stop, listen, and share our ideas together, we can build something beautiful. Together. Have you ever built something with your family? Tell me in the comments. I want to know.
And I have a question for you too, friends. In your family, Kaio, who has the best ideas? Tell me in the comments below.